Hello and welcome to TRS Tax Recovery Services Inc., located in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. My name is Jerry Pensack and I'm the principal of the firm. Founded in 1994, TRS helps large companies across Canada recover overpayments in sales tax, including the goods and services tax, harmonized sales tax, Quebec sales tax, and provincial sales tax in Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and British Columbia. As the firm's principal, I personally complete all reviews to ensure maximum savings are recovered and a value-added service is provided. With respect to Saskatchewan provincial sales tax compliance, today's video informs you of the Government of Saskatchewan Information Bulletin, PST-6. This bulletin explains the application of the provincial sales tax to extended warranty contracts and maintenance contracts. To obtain this publication, please visit the website taxrecoveryservices.com, click the heading News and Research, and scroll down the page to select this document. Alternatively, you may obtain it by visiting the website saskatchewan.ca. I welcome you to view other videos at your convenience. If you are interested in a sales tax review, please contact me. Fees are based on 25% of savings. If no savings are found, there will not be any fees. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.